We got both of our brackets are up there, very sturdy, not going anywhere, very solid into the wall, and we got 3 anchors in each bracket. And now it's time to install the arms. Now the shelves I got are 16 inches in depth, which means that they're 16 inches from the wall out to here. So I had to go out and get 16-inch arm brackets for the shelves. So let's just say you figure out what height you want it at. You install these guys. In this case, we're gonna, well, maybe not that high. Let's get a little bit lower and just follow across. Get your height. Make sure that this is actually level, which it is. It's exactly level. Of course, I'm an expert. Expert village. Expert village, you know? And so here it's level. Now I take my shelf, and there's all different types of brackets. There's the older brackets looked a little bit like this, where you had to have the some of the wires had to fit inside the grooves. These are the newer version of these things, and you just take your shelf and you figure out exactly, you know, figure out the evenness of it. You slides over. Actually, I can move this over a little bit to even it out. And the back of the shelf will go into the hooks. You just take your thumbs, pull them forward, snaps in place, and your shelf is in there. And your shelf is ready to go. Now, you just put yourself up there. You know, if you want to put your drill up there, you can put your, I'm going to put my VCRs later on, and whatever I'm going to do. Now you can put another section of shelves here. You can put another one here, another one here. And then, if your theater system grows or whatever you're doing, if this is a linen closet, you guys can get a visual of what the linen closet will look like. You have your towels. You could just pull these off and adjust the shelves as you need them to go. That's why this is the best way to go. Stay tuned, and I'm actually going to show you how to hang a picture on the wall using one of the better anchors. Stay tuned for that.